So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete any contact on the latest iOS 26 on any iPhone you have. Now in order to do it, just simply open the phone app, go to the contacts and select the contact that you want to delete. For example, if I want to delete this particular contact, I just simply need to press and hold on this one. For example, if I press and hold, if it not work here, just simply open the contacts app and here scroll down and select the contact that you want to delete. For example, if I just simply go right there, the contact that I want to delete, for example, let's say this is the contact that I want to delete. I just simply need to press and hold this one, and here you'll see this option of delete contact, and here you'll see I just simply need to hit delete contact, and that particular contact has been deleted from my iPhone. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.